Joe, and I'm down at Weymouth Furnace Park again, and we're looking at the high water after the record flood that they had on August 15th, 2011. Get all this stuff here. Oh, man. Weymouth Furnace. I had to clear out all these Johnnies here. Put them all out here. It completely flooded out the whole park. Terrible. Go up the road a little bit. Run out these tubes and kayaks and rafts for this place. It's all flooded out now. It's too bad. Hey, that's the Hamilton River. No, the Hamilton River, I think. Flooded out. That's a great Egg Harbor River. Right next to Hamilton, New Jersey. The place is washed out. Never been like this in our lifetimes. And everyone's shocked at it. It's so unusual. It's a nice place to go rafting, and now it's messed up. Go over here to this bridge and spot it again. Causeway Bridge, HAML 23. Never seen anything like this before. So it's very dangerous here. Someone nearly drowned right over there, or just beyond that smokestack there. Had to pull him out and resuscitate him. Big Buddha guy a couple weeks ago. Go up to the next bridge. Terrible looking in there, isn't it? Got here just in time for it to run out of light tonight. It's August 16th, 2011. It's, Egg Harbor River. Goes all the way down to Lake Lenape, Mays Landing. Real nice tube ride when it's available. It's all washed out, everything. It's all washed out. Terrible washout. Right up to the road too. Everyone's watching it. All these houses got washed out along the river, I guess. Beautiful houses too. I'm glad they didn't get sucked down the river. Some of them did get broken apart. There's their house over there. The river's right up to the road. It washed over the road for a while. Weymouth Furnace State Park. That's where they launched the tubes. Oh my God. They had to take all their stuff out of their yard. Their deck's blown away there. I'm glad it didn't happen to my house. That's all I can say. Talk to you later.